How to add multiple videos on Instagram Reels. So if you want to add multiple videos on your Instagram Reels, then first of all open up your Instagram application and then go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you can go for the upper right corner, which has that plus icon. Tap on that and then you will have the reel option, which is on the first, and you can simply tap on that and now you can choose multiple videos. So you have to choose a video, and after simply tapping or holding that video for 2 to 3 seconds, you will have circle type option on the upper right side of that video, which says 1, right? So you can simply again tap on that circle, which is on the upper right, and it will say 2, right? So like that you can simply choose any videos or any quantity that you would like. And after choosing your videos, now you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right, and after that you can simply add some audios, or you can add some music to your video, and now you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right, and after that you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right again, and it will take you to this, right? So if you want to share that to your Facebook too, then you can tap on allow, but if you don't want to, then tap on not now, and you can write some caption, and after writing you can simply add to your feed, or add people, like tag people, or add some topics, or add location, or add poll, and after that you can simply tap on share and your reel will be shared on your Instagram. So that's it. That's how you share multiple reels on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.